Let's do a regulation question over estates. And Ninja MCQ for regulation has 1,867 reg questions, probably more than you could ever do, and 69 simulations. Okay. Astor, a cash basis taxpayer, died on February 3rd, year 1. During year 1, the estate's executor adopted a calendar year to determine the estate's taxable income. Astor's executor does not intend to file an extension request for the estate fiduciary income tax return. By what date must the executor file the Form 1041 U.S. income and tax return for estates and trusts for the estate's year 1 calendar year? So they have the option of a calendar year or a fiscal year, and it says that they decided to adopt a calendar year, and Astor died on February 3rd, which is the day that the estate tax year begins, and the calendar year ends at the end of the year, so December 31st. So that means that it's due April 15th there or thereabouts, depending on the holiday, of year 2. So March 15th, no. April 15th, yes. June 15th, no. September 15th, no. So Monday, April 15th of year 2 is the best answer. And again, there's the explanation. Same thing I just said. All right, let's talk a little bit more about estates. IRS Form 1041, U.S. income tax return for estates and trusts, must generally be filed if an estate's gross income is $600 or more. However, a trust files when it has either $600 of gross income or any amount of taxable income. And the return is due by the 15th day of the 4th month following the close of the entity's tax year. So using round numbers and assuming like April 15th for no holiday, the end of the calendar year was December 31st. So the 4th month is April, the 15th day. You get it, you know. Trusts must use the calendar year as their tax year. So trusts must use their calendar year. Estates have the option of fiscal or a calendar year. So that's something else that you could have picked up in this question. A trust has to use a calendar year. Estates have the option. And estimated tax payments are required by estates and trusts, but they may be exempt. So